Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this video series, we are taking you an exciting journey across the USA, flying between the major cities, checking out cool hotels, hopping on the city bus tours, and visiting iconic sightseeing spots along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. In my last 8 episodes, I traveled from the New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia and Washington DC by bus and also enjoyed the guided city tour in each city. If you missed any part, then click the I button to watch them first. Today is day 4 of my East Coast tour. In my previous episode, our Washington DC guided city tour was ended at around 3 pm and we are heading to the Hershey Chocolate World, followed by the dinner at Khana Indian Bistro. Our journey from Washington DC to Hershey Chocolate World, Pennsylvania covers about 130 miles or 200 kilometers with a driving time nearly 2.5 hours to 3 hours depending on the traffic condition. The drive is simple. We took I-95 and then I-83 from Washington to Harrisburg and from there it's short drive to Hershey's. So it's around 6 pm now. We already reached inside the Hershey's Chocolate World. Look, this family is coming out of a gate in a joyful and dancing mood with lot of shopping bags in their hand. Let's go inside through the entrance gate and see what is available for shopping and the ticket prices. The first desk is for group check-in. Now, after that, what will be the cost?
It depends on what you want to do.
Okay. Entries to the Hershey's Chocolate World is completely free, including famous chocolate tour ride. But if you want to try the special experiences like making your own candy bar, chocolate tasting, or trolley bar, you will need to buy tickets. The prices generally start around $19 to $20 per person, and combo bundles can save your money depending on the current deals. For updated prices and online booking, I have shared the official website links in the description box. Here, lot of items are available on the rack, including socks, t-shirts, chocolates, candy packs, gift boxes, mugs, toys, keychains and souvenirs. The cost of this t-shirt is $50. This cap definitely caught my eye, a perfect little souvenir to take home. What do you think about this cap? Drop your thoughts in the comment box. The color of this half t-shirt is looking like a chocolate and which is very attractive. And the price is $24 only. The cost of this full sleeve t-shirt is $40. My friend bought a lot of chocolates. Now the question is, how will he protect them from the heat?
रख दूंगा मैं नहीं होगा घर ले जाऊंगा मैं ये घर
स्कूल में भी बांटने की रखी हुई है क्या? Happy birthday to you. If you are carrying chocolate from here all the way to India, you need to be careful about heat. I recommend using an insulated bag while traveling. After reaching home, keep the chocolate sealed and store them in the refrigerator. So I purchased the cap for $22. If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After chocolate tour, we are heading just a short drive to Khana Indian Bistro for dinner. It's only few minutes away from the Hershey's Chocolate World, right here in Hershey's, Pennsylvania. On this left turn, you can see the board of Khana Indian Bistro. We have just arrived at Khana Indian Bistro, a popular Indian restaurant known for its authentic North and South Indian food. Flavorful dishes like curries, biryanis, and vegetarian and non-veg options. On the entrance gate, I can see the opening hours of the restaurant is 11 am and the closing time is 9 pm. Let's step inside the restaurant and check out what is available in the buffet for us. Do you want to check the menu or order online? I have added the official website link in the description below. In the first section of buffet, I can see salad, cut bagan, different kind of chutneys, dahi. And in the next section, I can see chapatis in the bread, basmati rice, dal tadka, aloo cabbage, palak paneer, mixed vegetable,
Everything is okay, very nice. But plate is very
chana
small.
masala,
Plate is small, right?
Somali chicken curry, chicken tikka masala, and this is tandoori chicken and fruit cocktail. As I'm moving ahead, I can see lot of sitting arrangement with neatly spaced table, making it perfect for groups and families. The ambience is warm and welcoming with soft lighting and a calm, relaxed atmosphere. Everyone here is saying that every dish is here are tasty, so I tried some curries and chapati. I agree, the food is delicious and smell amazing. To finish, I tried the fruit cocktail sweet, a perfect ending with a truly mind-blowing taste. But stay tuned. In the next episode, we will be reviewing the Sheraton Harrisburg Hershey's Hotel. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel vlogs and updates.